Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rotate page here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Rotating a page in Canva is a straightforward process that is useful for several creative and practical reasons. Even though, right now, Canva does not offer a direct page rotation feature. Okay? But don't worry, because there are still plentiful workarounds that we can choose, because the rotation only applies for images or elements here in Canva. For example, this one right here, you see the option, the circular button here. This is the way for you to rotate an element, like counterclockwise, counterclockwise, full 360, 180, and a lot more. But for the page itself, you don't have that to rotate like any other software editing tool. Instead, what we can do is, if the orientation right now is in landscape, if you want to rotate this page into, say for example, a portrait, because if you click on the add the page here, there's no option that says rotate page to like a portrait, 180, or nothing, right? Instead, click the resize button and you can resize your design into whatever format you need, right? So that's one option. You can, of course, choose any of the portrait template for social media. They have like a square. Instagram post is square. For Instagram Reel, it's gonna be portrait. So you can choose from any of these. If you have a custom design or a custom size that you have in mind, put that in so it can be rotated to the page that you wanted. Okay, so that's two-way. Now, another option is just hover to the home menu, create a new design. Maybe like, I'm going to be choosing a template, which is portrait in orientation. Maybe social media. I'm going to be choosing TikTok videos, right? Because this is basically something like this. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing this green, white, black minimal. If I click on it, I would be forwarded to this page. Just click on the customize this template. It's basically rotating page earlier, right? If you wanted to, obviously, remove some of the elements here. I'm gonna delete some of them. Delete. Don't want that. We don't want this. We don't want this. What we need is upload our image. Okay. Put it here. We don't want this one as well. How about we put the image right here so it's not intervening? Okay, so let's try to play it. And you see, as you can see, we have already rotated the page. All right, it's that easy. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on share, download as MP4 or GIF if you want it, or you can simply click the anyone with link so you can share this to your team members, your client, or to the company that you're working with. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.